Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up a free Zoom meeting and invite others. Let's dive in. First, open the Zoom app. Once in Zoom, you're going to tap on Schedule from the top navigation bar. After you have done that, you can give the meeting a name. Then you're going to choose when the meeting will start. So for example, it will be starting tomorrow. And then you can select the time that you'd like to start the meeting, as you can see right here. And you can also set the end time. Once you're finished doing that, you could tap on invites, and from here you could type out the person's name or email address that you'd like to invite. Or another thing that you could also do is you could simply tap on save. By the way, you can choose to either export this meeting to an external calendar, or you could simply tap on none. For this example, I'll select none, then I'm just going to tap on save. After you have done that, you can see the meeting has been scheduled right here. To share it, you're going to tap on the three dots in line with the meeting name. Then you'll tap on share. And from there, you can copy the link and share it on any social media platform. Or for example, if I were to open mail, you can see how it looks right here. So this will be the email that they'll receive. And from there, they could tap on the link and they'll automatically be connected to the meeting. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching.